Central Arizona Curative Specialty Care is proud to introduce CSC Mobile Health. Now available to residents and businesses in the greater Phoenix area. At its core, CSC Mobile Health provides accessibility and convenience to comprehensive and affordable healthcare. Our caring group of nurse practitioners are the heart of our network, and their main focus is bringing quality care directly to patients in a timely manner. So whether it's a series of vaccinations all across the valley, or just a few pharmacy refills in Phoenix, we're on call for you. Here to help with geriatric care in Goodyear, as well as mental health consults in Maryvale, or lab work in Litchfield Park. We're here to bring comprehensive care to your neighborhood, workplace, and campus. Whether it's acute care in Avondale, medication management in Maricopa, or minor injuries in Tolleson, we're here to keep you happy, healthy, and confident, one stop at a time. With evening and weekend availability throughout Central Arizona, we fit your schedule. CSC Mobile Health. Give us a click or a call, because no matter where you call home in this gorgeous state, your health matters.